Locked out of your account? Resetting your Bank of America online banking password is a simple, secure process to regain access. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. On the login page, click Forgot ID/passcode. You'll be asked to verify your identity by providing your card or account number and your social security number. You may also need to answer security questions. Once verified, you can create a new, strong passcode. You'll then be prompted to log in with your online ID and your new credentials. My crucial pro tip: update your saved passwords everywhere. After you reset your passcode, remember to update it in any password manager or browser where you have it saved. This prevents future lockouts when your browser tries to autofill the old, incorrect password. Regain access quickly and keep your account secure. What's your method for creating a strong, memorable password? For more simple tech solutions, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.